This is Malena Ibarra. I'm introducing my new listing here in San Jose. It is a 3-bedroom, 1-bath, 2-car garage, and it's beautifully upgraded. I know you're gonna love it. Give me a call if you're in the market of looking for this type of home. It's a townhome, 3-bedroom, 1-bath, 2-car garage. Please give me a call and I will give you all the details. 408-661-0661. I will give you a tour of this beautiful home. You're gonna love it. Let's go see it. Very contemporary with double pane windows. Plenty of natural lighting available. This home has beautiful wood laminate floors. And it has recessed lighting as well. It is freshly painted throughout. As you can see, there is a spacious living room. This kitchen offers tile flooring. It has gorgeous, newer granite countertops. Clean, flawless stainless steel appliances. And updated cabinetry. This is the first of 3 bedrooms. In the single bathroom, you will find updated vanities and tile flooring. bedroom 2 of 3. As mentioned, fresh new painting throughout. And you will find the master bedroom is the larger of the 3. As you may see, it has inside laundry with plenty of shelving. Here's a private, spacious patio for you to create some amazing memories with your friends or family. You'll also notice it holds a larger storage unit. And direct access to the roomy 2-car garage. Did you love the home? I told you we're gonna love it. Just give me a call, 408-661-0661 for a private showing. I'm just a phone call away. Bye.